In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert OneNote to Excel spreadsheet files quickly. This is an incredibly useful technique if you've been taking notes, tracking data, or collecting information in OneNote and need to work with it in Excel for further analysis, calculations, or reporting. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can transfer your notes efficiently without losing any important content. First, open your Microsoft OneNote application and navigate to the page or section that contains the information you want to export. Make sure all your notes, tables, and lists are fully visible and organized, as the layout in OneNote will influence how it appears in Excel. If you have a table in OneNote, this will make the conversion much smoother because Excel recognizes table structures directly. Once your content is ready, highlight the text or table that you want to export. Then right-click and select Copy. Alternatively, you can use Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the selected content. This step ensures that only the relevant data is captured for conversion, keeping your Excel file clean and focused. Next, open Microsoft Excel. Create a new blank workbook or navigate to the location where you want to place your data. Click on the first cell where you want your OneNote content to appear. Now, paste the copied content by pressing Ctrl+V or by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Excel will automatically preserve table structures, rows, and columns where possible, and your OneNote notes will now appear as an editable Excel spreadsheet. After pasting, take a moment to format the spreadsheet. Adjust column widths, apply headers, or use Excel's formatting tools to make your data easier to read and analyze. You can also save the file in the XLS or XLSX format by going to File, selecting Save As, and choosing the location and file type. This ensures your exported data is stored correctly and ready for use in any Excel-compatible application. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully converted your OneNote content into an Excel spreadsheet, ready for calculations, analysis, or sharing with others. This method is fast, reliable, and works for both simple lists and structured tables. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.